Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve a nice trigonometric equation. So the very first thing we are going to do is we just multiply left hand side by 2 for making its trigonometric identity or trigonometric formula. So here we multiply 2 and divide by 2 on the left hand side, and we will obtain the term in this form. So after that, and the 2 sin x and cos x is becomes sine of 2x equal to 3 square root over 4, and this 2 is cancelled out by this 4, and we will get the next term in this form. Sine of 2x is equal to square root 3 by 2. Also we see that this sign, the sign is the value of sign is positive, so it is lies in first and second quadrant. So we can just take the angles in the first and second quadrant. Okay, before proceeding this one, we first find the reference angle, and we know that the reference angle is the angle with respect to first quadrant, or we can say that the reference angle is the positive angle, because all the angles in first quadrants are positive angles. So we choose positive angle. So the reference angle is just we take the sign on the right hand side, and we will get sine of inverse square root 3 by 3 square root by 2, and the sine inverse of square root 3 by 2 will becomes pi by 3. Okay, after that we will move towards these angles, and we know that angle in anti-clockwise direction. So the angle in anti-clockwise direction in first quadrant are theta, and in second quadrant are pi minus theta, in third quadrant it is pi plus theta, and in fourth quadrant the angle in anti-clockwise direction is 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so we just here our sign is lies in first and second quadrant, so angle in first quadrant is theta, or we will just say that over 2x, because here our angle is 2x, that is why I will write x instead of 2x. So we just write 2x here, and 2x is equal to pi by 3. 2x is equal to reference angle, and our reference angle is pi by 3. So here we will get the value of x is pi by 6. Okay, after that we take angle in second quadrant, and angle in second quadrant is pi minus theta. So I will write again 2x is equal to pi minus reference angle. Theta means reference angle, so here we write pi minus reference angle, and which is pi by 3, and after taking its LCM we will get 2 pi by 3. So when we divide this 2 on the right hand side, then we will obtain x is equal to pi by 3. Okay, so the value of x is equal to pi by 3. Okay, after that we will just check the period of our given function, given differential equation. So here we check the period of this one, and we know that the period of sine is 2 pi. So here we will check our solutions which is lie in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay, because the period of sine is 2 pi, so the solution will must be lies in this interval. And here we will get the two solutions, x equal to pi by 6 and pi by 3, and we can clearly see that both of the values of x are lies in this interval. Okay, so in order to find the general solution, we add the general period in both of the solutions. So we just add first pi by 6 plus, because the period of sine is 2 pi and its general period is 2n pi, and union here the other solution is pi by 3, and here we again add the general period, and this is the our final solution or final answer of the given trigonometric equation. So thank you so much for watching this video.